Hello there, thank you very much to watch my another video. Okay, today I'd like to talk about one site that we can earn money online which called richbirds.com, and I got paid already from this website 147.70. So we go to silver exchange first to get a payout. So to qualify to get silver exchange, uh, we need to replenish about 1000 rubles first, and I already done it before. So today I want to exchange my silver to get the cash points. So you can see here, cost for 1000 silver today equal to 0.1 cash points, and it will different every second or every day, guys. So you can see also the selling silver to the system. Amount in silver, minimum 1000 silver. Your daily limits. So for daily limit, we can upgrade it. I click more here. Okay, so you can see here your 24 hours limit is 3000 silver. It can be more upgrade, and more you upgrade, so more higher you can get a cash point to get it for withdrawal. Okay, we go back. Okay, I want to show you sell here 3000, and then click sell. Okay, done. You see here today I got 0.3 cash points. So to make a withdraw successfully, we need to have cash points, guys. So cash points is the keyword for this website. So we go to order payment. You can see here order payment, and have a varieties of payment platform. But for me, I choose Payer because it's quite simple to me. So when we enter to order payment, so you will enter into this page. This page will show you how much your cash points balance. So my account, I can make a withdraw 1.8 rubles, equals to 180 silver. So we fill here 180 and click order payment. And here is the proof that I already get paid from website richbirds.com. So my order payment already successfully, and I hope all of you guys successfully too. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe for and share to your friends if this can give benefit to your life. Okay, thank you very much.